Hi and welcome back to TIRATalks-Financial Planning, and on this channel I make videos about how my family is investing to reach financial independence. If you're new here and you like this type of personal finance content and you find my videos helpful in any way, please consider subscribing and joining us as we document our journey to financial independence. In today's video, I'm going to be going over our net worth for June of 2021. Now, your net worth is just the difference between your assets, things that you own, minus your liabilities, things that you owe. Now, if your assets are more than your liabilities, you will have a positive net worth. However, if your liabilities are more than your assets, then you will have a negative net worth. Now, knowing your net worth is very useful because it gives you a clear snapshot of where you are financially. If you are calculating your net worth for the first time and you have a negative net worth, please do not be discouraged. A lot of people start out with a negative net worth. However, with some financial planning, you can turn that negative net worth into a positive net worth. When we track our net worth, we don't include any money inside of our checking account or any personal accounts. We also don't include any money from out of our business account. We don't include jewelry, electronics, or other small valued items. However, we do track our liquid assets such as cash, emergency fund savings, taxable investment accounts. We also track our liquid assets. Those are assets that can easily be converted into cash. We also track our non-liquid assets. These assets cannot be easily converted into cash, such as our retirement account, our home, and of course, we also include our debt, like the balance on our home mortgage. Now, let's take a look at our liquid assets for June. In our emergency fund, we have $30,000.26. In our Robinhood account, which is our dividend investing portfolio, where we buy and hold only dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, and REITs, the Robinhood account has $5,233.61. We also have an M1 Finance account with $5,277.03. In our M1 Finance account, we invest in 10 Vanguard ETFs, and all of these ETFs pay out a quarterly or monthly dividend. The Coinbase account is where we invest in cryptocurrency. We currently have $66.35 in this account. As you can see, it's a very, very small account, and we do plan on investing more into cryptocurrency. We also have $815 of extra cash. This cash is from side hustles from selling items on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Our liquid assets has a total of $41,392.25. And now that we have a fully funded 6-month emergency fund, our top priority right now is maxing out both Roth IRA accounts. And so far we have maxed out one of our accounts, and we're only $4,000 away from maxing out the other one. Our non-liquid assets include our retirement accounts, our home, and 3 vehicles. The retirement account is valued at $17,823.76. The Roth account is valued at $9,725.10. Our home has a value of $398,000, and our 3 vehicles has a value of $19,400. And the total of our non-liquid assets is $444,948.86. The only liability that we have is the mortgage on our home. We currently owe $250,962.61, which is over $1,000 decrease from last month. Let's take a look at our net worth history. In January of this year, we started out with a net worth of over $164,000. Our June net worth is now $235,378.50. We are making great progress. We are less than $15,000 away from our net worth goal of $250,000 for this year, and we should be able to hit this milestone by August. Now, percentage-wise, that is 94.15% towards our $250,000 goal and 78.46% towards our next milestone of a $300,000 net worth. I hope you have enjoyed this quick net worth update. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Hit that like button and notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And as always, I appreciate you supporting my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.